Okay, so hi everybody. This is Neha, aka Virago. So aka stands for also known as. This is for a few people who might not know what aka means. And because now, since I am a personality and personality developer and communication coach, so ये सब बहुत इनबिल्ट है कि कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत गलत हुआ तो तुरंत ठीक करवा दो, किसी ने कुछ गलत बोल दिया तो तुरंत उसको टोक के ठीक कर दो. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस हैपेंस, बट वो कहते हैं ना कि आप प्रोफेशनली जैसे होते हो यू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग दैट बाय नेचर लिटिल बाय लिटिल. So I guess that has started happening inside me. Okay, so this is a very first time for me recording videos and all, though I always wanted to. I'm a little bit blushing as well. I always wanted to, but I never knew कि इतना जल्दी एकदम हो जाएगा. So I'm enjoying this. So this is going to be my very first YouTube video. I welcome all of you. You welcome me. So yes, we are friends now. Okay, so I'll be starting with a sharing of in very small about my journey, how it has been, why I'm here today, why I mean all this YouTube. And also, I am a person who has always hated this from the really very core of my heart. Yes, you can say कि यहाँ तो contradictory जा रहा है नेहा कि यार hate भी and then always wanted to. So it's like you have a wish, but then वो इतनी decorated लगती है that you get scared and you feel like कि यार ये तो नहीं करना है, and so you start hating it, something like that. So, ठीक है. Anyways, coming back to the point. So, I will be sharing my journey, a bit of my journey कि कहाँ से start हुआ, कैसे start हुआ और आज यहाँ कैसे पहुँच गए हैं. मुझे खुद को कभी-कभी बहुत awe वाली feeling आती है कि oh my god, I mean I just never knew it all will happen so soon. But anyways, so अगर मैं if I go back to the times and if I try to remember that how it all started actually from NCC in school. Now when I genuinely go back to the times with details, trying to connect the dots as they say. So it started with NCC from school. I was in NCC in 8th, 9th and 10th. I think so 11th, but 10th तक मुझे याद है. Now in NCC, I used to command, being a very short-heighted person, but I used to command, and there used to be, a big, full-fledged line of cadets standing behind me. So I used to command for the parades, जो 26 January and 15th August को usually schools में होती हैं अभी भी, I think so. Back then it used to happen in my school. So I used to command for that. So my voice was very loud. Basically आवाज बहुत तेज थी, जिसको बोलते ना बहुत बुलंद आवाज. In Hindi it was like that. So I started doing that. It was fun, but फिर वो chapter वहीं close हो गया. I never knew कि ये चीज भी इधर तक ला सकती है. So this is a spoiler I gave you. So okay, so NCC वहाँ close हुआ वो chapter. And now I completed 12th because my mom, she put me into biology because then I did not know maths at all. मैं बहुत खराब थी math में. So वो numbers and all totally out of my brain. Somehow PC मैंने पढ़ लिया, physics chemistry. पता नहीं कैसे ही पढ़ा है, honestly भगवान जाने. And then I started with BSc after 12th because I tried to give this NEET and AIPMT exams जो भी bio से related होते थे to become a doctor. But I thought of let's just drop this please क्योंकि हो I mean, I did not think of dropping it. It actually got dropped क्योंकि मुझे तो मैं पढ़ ही नहीं पा रही हूँ ना, तो कैसे हो पाएगा. So it all just went into, it all got ruined up. Not exactly ruined up, it actually made me a better person. So now in BSc, when I was in my second year, third semester, yes, I realized that all this, whatever they're teaching me, I don't have the remembrance of it now, memory of it now, sorry. So I was like, भाई ये तो नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. All this physics, chemistry, उसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत था. Somewhere it used to be there. Biology था majorly. Biotechnology was my subject. So I thought of let's just drop it entirely. कोई मतलब नहीं, इसको छोड़ देते हैं पूरा. So I am not a dropout, but I just gave exams, okay? Somehow with some of the brains that I used because I never remembered anything. I never tried to learn anything or be logical about anything. बस मैं somehow कर लेती थी. So second year of BSc, ये एक साल का था journey in BSc Biotechnology. Second year I came to a realization, a huge realization that with this BSc thing, it's not going to happen. So let's try to figure out something else because this is not going to work. And I always had a thought since the very beginning that I want to be, like mad rich. You know what's mad rich? So अफरात पैसा, ये तो मैं आज भी बोलती हूँ खैर. So now I could see that BSc biotechnology, and then I used to see my teachers over there, my professors. So I used to think कि यार, if these people who have studied all this and they have, you know, kind of reached the top position, topmost position, and still they are here in front of me, so then कैसे हो पाएगा? I don't want to be into this category. So I went to radios one day, थिंकिंग एंड अज्यूमिंग कि रेडियो से कुछ बहुत मतलब मुझे बस रख ही लेंगे वो लोग. मैं गई हूँ और वो ऐसे बैठे कि आइए आइए नेहा मैडम आइए, ओके. बट देन so that was a very, you know, changing chapter of my life. So I went to radios and Radio Mirchi, because it was just behind my home, the office of Radio Mirchi. So I went to Radio Mirchi, and I I sat over there for like a couple of hours, and then I asked somebody that I'm here for an interview. I want to join. I want to be an RJ. You look at the guts. Straight up, I want to be an RJ. So she told me that, do you have, like, what are you doing currently? Who are you? Where are you from? And I told her that I'm into BSc. I took bio. अभी BSc चल रहा है, etc. etc. And she told me that मतलब ये अभी जैसे बोल रही हूँ, there is a big difference, okay? Big difference. It's like at that time I was a 3-year-old kid, and today I am like 27-year-old. So understand the mentality I'm trying to talk about. So there was a big difference. So I went there day one. She was like, there is nobody and we don't have any vacancies. तो मैं थोड़ी उदास होके आ गई. I went there a couple of times, second day, third day, fourth day, and they kept rejecting me. So the person who was managing the front desk, she kept rejecting me from her own level, that we don't have any vacancy, we don't have any space, कुछ भी नहीं है, nothing. Now she used to see कि यार मैं थोड़ी ज्यादा जिद्दी टाइप्स हूँ. आई एम गोइंग एंड सिटिंग, एंड मैं रोज ही जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज कॉलेज से आते हुए मेरे रास्ते पे पड़ता था, घर के बीच में एंड कॉलेज के बीच में. So every day I used to go there. So now one fine day she made me meet somebody. I don't know the name. It was at some senior position. That person maybe was an RJ. I don't know. Maybe in the management people. So now he asked a few questions to me. Now he wrote a word GRAND PRIX. How do we pronounce this? Just read it for me. And I mean, just like you, as of now, maybe a few of you, I read it Grand Prix actually. But the actual pronunciation is Grand Prix, as far as I know. It's Grand Prix. G is almost silent in that. So when I came back home, I was like, मेरा तो दिमाग ऐसे फट सा गया कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब ऐसा भी कुछ एग्जिस्ट करता है क्या? इंग्लिश, I used to listen that English is a funny language, but I never knew that it is this much of a funny language. So ऐसे करके रिजेक्शन आया बहुत जोर से रेडियो मिर्ची का. आई वाज टोल्ड दैट यू कैन नॉट इवन स्पीक प्रॉपरली. इंग्लिश हिंदी सेकेंडरी है, पहले आता है बोलना. आप बोल भी नहीं पा रही हैं इंग्लिश और अंग्रेजी और हिंदी, तो आप सेकेंडरी रखिए. So now I was like, yaar, theek hai, okay. I got back home, and it was a very sad day for me, because I went to Radio Mirchi not just to be an RJ. Genuinely, I went to Radio Mirchi to escape my BSc, and now I was having two heartbreaks. That one, I cannot be an RJ. Second, I have to bloody study this, all this BSc biotechnology, whatever they are telling me to. पता नहीं earthworms और क्या क्या बताते थे वो, cockroach काटो, पता नहीं nonsense. So two heartbreaks. So I cried, and actually the way I'm telling the story right now, it's very different, okay? But at that point of time, it was very tough for me to handle, because you imagine if I am in BSc second year, I'm probably what, 20 18 19 years, 18 19 years, okay? And now I'm wondering कि यार अब career मेरा दाव पे लग गया है पूरा का पूरा, you know, my entire career is on stake now. So what needs to be done? So I was like, okay, it's fine, let's get through this. Ab chalu hota hai the amazing chapter of life. So I started mirror practicing back then, when I did not even know what it is, how beneficial it can be in my future, and etc. मिरर प्रैक्टिस करती थी, भर भर के मिरर प्रैक्टिस करती थी. दिन भर आने के बाद एक ही काम होता था कि चलो कांच के सामने खड़े होंगे और बड़बड़ बड़बड़ करेंगे. So I used to do that. A lot of mirror practices I did, and then I used to read newspapers, Times of India, and then Google था somehow, मम्मी पापा के phone से sneak in करके, googling out things and wondering कि okay किसका क्या मतलब है. Pronunciation, I used to, you know, there is a mic when you go on Google, the bot in it, she speaks, she pronounces it for you. So I used to tap it again and again to listen to the pronunciation कि कैसे बोल रहा है, किस word को कैसे बोल रहा है. I worked on myself a lot of it. अब क्या होता है ना, there is a difference in knowing a language and knowing how to talk. These are two very different things, okay? So मेरे को दोनों नहीं आते थे. So bingo, एक अभी भी नहीं आता. You need to guess which one is it till the end of this video, and you need to tell me in the comment section. So I learned how to talk. I also answered it for you, anyways. Okay, so now I learned how to talk, and now I went back to radios back again. It was fun. They somehow they shortlisted me. I got selected. They asked me to prepare up a link for them. You know, so when you listen to radios, so the moment when an RJ comes and speaks about anything, about any news or any incident or anything that has happened, that is called as a link. So I prepared up multiple links. I sent it to Radio Mirchi. I got shortlisted. I got called after like 2-3 months from the day I gave my links to Radio Mirchi. I went to Radio Mirchi. It was in Lower Parel, Mumbai. My audition, my actual interview with the regional director at that point of time. She is an amazing personality. I cannot take names. So I went there. I got selected, and now I actually started enjoying and learning, and it was fun. It was really fun. I mean, I cannot describe how amazing times those were. So from there, actually, this journey started from where I started learning about my voice and how can I talk and how I can do this and that, etc., etc. Now something happened. In details, we will keep on talking about it in the coming videos. So something happened, so I had to get into my dad's business. I started looking after the business, and now in business what happens now, you need to talk a lot. I mean, and now because I was new to the business, I just एकदम से मुझे आना पड़ा था. So I was very new. So बस मैं दिन भर लोगों से बात ही करती थी about this, that, product, services, what rates to purchase with, what rates to sell with, this client, that client, this rate, that rate, quotation, etc., etc., meetings, and all of it. So consciously or subconsciously, I kept on practicing the speaking thing. तो उसकी प्रैक्टिस होती गई. फिर जब मैं रेडियोज में थी तब मैंने वॉइस ओवर्स भी दिए. आई डिड लॉट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स. मैं आज भी बच्चों वाली आवाज निकाल लेती हूँ, बाय द वे. एंड ऑल्सो I did advertisements. I am still a writer. And what else I am? I did a lot of events as well. I used to anchor for events. So I used to be MC, EMCEE. I used to be that for a lot of events. And that's how this skill kept on getting, refining and refined and refined and refined with time eventually. And now here we are today. So today what I do is I have my own business, which is run by me and my partner. And other than that, I am a communication and PD coach, full-fledged communication and PD coach. So I take classes online, offline, and I'm starting this journey as well. And with only just one mindset, that we all are going to grow together with this, because even I have a lot of flaws today that I know, I'm aware of. I might not be aware of, that you can help me in learning about that. Okay, this is one another mistake you made and we can fix this up. So with this journey, this specifically this YouTube channel and YouTube videos, I am here to create a space for everybody who feels that we cannot speak, we cannot talk, we don't know good English, and we lack confidence, we have stage fear, we don't know how to face the camera, or maybe we don't know how to face a lot of people, and etc., etc., etc. A lot of issues like this. Anxiety, dar lag jana, घबराहट हो जाना, I don't know, n number of things. Because today my students come to me and tell me, I mean, I know that they can talk good, they can really talk good. They have an accent, they have a fluency, they know good grammar, they know good English, they know good vocabulary, but still the only issue they face, and they come to me and they tell me, ma'am, स्टेज पे तो जाते से ही ना मैम ऐसे ऐसे होने लग जाता है, पैर ही ऐसे ऐसे होने लग जाते हैं, एकदम हार्ट बीट्स बढ़ जाती हैं. This is how they come to me, and I feel very sad actually about it, because this should not happen. You should actually know. And you won't believe, this is my very first video that I'm recording ever. ट्रस्ट मी एवर. इसके पहले भी तक जो भी मैंने बोला है, दैट हैज बीन ऑन द माइक at last, and my face has not ever been visible in any of the videos. This is the very first time I'm doing this, but it might not seem like one, you know, because of the practicing that I've been doing since 7 years, again consciously or subconsciously. So what I feel is you can just fix all this, likewise I did. And that is why I just want, through this YouTube channel and through these videos, I just want to create a big safe space for all of you, every single one of you who has a feeling that oh my god, I cannot talk, I don't have the confidence, I feel nervous, I have stage fear, I feel anxiety, I don't know how to talk, I don't know good English, good grammar, I don't know. अगर अभी तक वीडियो में ऑब्जर्व किया है, so you must have decoded something about me. अगर वो हुआ है तो reply to me in the comment section, और अगर नहीं हुआ है तो it's okay, you will eventually get to know this when I will keep on posting the videos. So I guess that is it for today, and I will keep on coming with the videos because as I told you, that space for everybody is very important. You can know good English, good grammar, good vocab, good pronunciation. You can be very good in everything. But when it comes to public speaking, or when it comes to talking to maybe a single person, a single stranger, a good friend, family, relatives, a couple of friends, maybe a group meeting, and especially when it comes to a professional presentation, it could be single handedly, it could be in a group, it could be in front of a lot of people, वहां पर ना समस्या नहीं फील होनी चाहिए. This is my only take for all of you, and especially the generation that's coming धीरे 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 धीरे. So उनका सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो introvertedness को they take it as a pride thing, as a prestigious thing, that oh, I am an introvert. Okay buddy, trust me, it's not a good thing. Being an introvert is not a good thing. I have been one, I'm still one, a bit of it, but then वो आपको professionally बहुत पीछे खींचेगा. So that is what all of these things हम इस journey में cover करेंगे, you and me together. So I always have this feeling that if I would have gotten any such space or any such platform or anybody like this, so शायद मैं बहुत पहले बहुत अच्छा बोलना सीख जाती. And how much talking good has been beneficial to me, ये मैं आपको आने वाले वीडियोस में जरूर बताऊंगी कि अच्छी बात करने से मेरे को लाइफ में पर्सनली, प्रोफेशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली, इमोशनली हर जगह पे कितने बेनिफिट्स मिले हैं जेन्युइनली. एंड मतलब वो बेनिफिट्स इस लेवल पे हैं जिनको मैं पैसे से नहीं खरीद सकती हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज थिंग्स. सो वी विल बी कवरिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस इन द कमिंग वीडियोस. Till then, stay tuned. It was amazing talking to all of you. I hope I gave a good content to you and I did not bore you up. And even if I did, it's okay. We will be doing better in the next videos. All right. See you. Take care.